Good morning, student. Today we will learn some problems depends on Apollonius theorem. In last period we have seen that application of Pythagoras theorem. There are two conditions when it is a acute angle and obtuse angle. Depend on these two applications. Then we study Apollonius theorem, and here we have to study some problems depend on Apollonius theorem. So we have to take here first problem. We know that Apollonius theorem is that in a triangle when we have to given a median, then we can use there Apollonius theorem. So first problem is that in triangle PQR, in this triangle PQR, we have to given PS is the median of triangle PQR and S is the midpoint of QR. S is the midpoint of QR. So first write the given things in triangle PQR. Point S is the midpoint of side QR. It means segment PS is the median. Segment PS is the median. And then PQ is equal to 11, PR is equal to 17, PS is equal to 13. We know that when in a triangle PS is a median, then we can use Apollonius theorem. So by Apollonius theorem, we can write here PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PS square plus 2SR square by Apollonius theorem. कशावरून लिहिलं आपण हे Apollonius theorem. Then substitute the values. PQ square means 11 square. Then PR square means 17 square. 2 into PS square means 13 square. Plus 2SR square as it is. Then 11 square 121. Then 17 square 289. 2 into 13 square 169. So addition of these two, 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry number 1. 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11 11 carry number 1. 2 plus 3 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Then here multiplication 2 9s are 18 la 8 carry number 1. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13 la 3 carry number 1. 3 1s are 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2SR square. Then 410 minus this plus goes on either side, then minus is equal to 2SR square. Then 410 minus 338 is equal to 72 is equal to 2SR square. This 2 goes in multiplication, SR square as it is. So SR square is equal to 36. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Remaining 1, 2, 6 are 12. So SR square is equal to 36. Taking square root of both sides. Taking square root of both sides. Then SR is equal to, what is the square root of 36? 6. 36 चं square root 6 आलं आणि SR square चं square root या ठिकाणी SR. Then therefore SR is equal to 6. But we have to calculate here QR. We know that S is the midpoint of QR. So QR is equal to 2 into SR. It means 2 into 6. Therefore QR is equal to 12. So what is the length of segment QR? So QR is equal to 12 units. In this way, we can solve a given problem by using Apollonius theorem. Remember that Apollonius theorem is in a triangle when we have to given a median, then the square of this side plus square of this side means PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PS square plus 2SR square. By using this Apollonius theorem, we can calculate first year SR, and this is the midpoint. This is 6. It means this is also 6. So QR is equal to 6 plus 6, 12 units. This is the answer of given problem. Do you understand? So next problem we have to study here. Same Apollonius theorem we have to use now. In this problem also we have to give one median. But in this problem we have to calculate the length of median. So how can we calculate the length of median? So first given things that in triangle ABC, what is the median? Segment CD is the median. Segment CD is the median. It means remember that D is the midpoint of AB. Then first we have calculate. Therefore D is the midpoint of segment AB. Here we have to give one AB is equal to 10. Then AD is equal to, so AD is equal to, BD is equal to 1 by 2 AB. 1 by 2 AB means what is the value of AB? 10. Therefore 2 ones are 2 5s are. AD is equal to BD is equal to 5. Values of these two. Here also 5, here also 5. Also given that AC is equal to 7, BC is equal to 9. ADBD is equal to 5. So in triangle ABC, segment CD is the median. So by Apollonius theorem, we can write, AC square plus BC square is equal to 2 CD square plus 2 BD square. So by substituting the values, AC value 7 square plus BC square means 9 square is equal to 2 into CD square as it is 2 into BD square means 5 square. 7 square 49, 9 square 81 is equal to 2 into CD square as it is 2 into 5 square 25. By addition of these two, 49 plus 81, 9 plus 1 10 la 0, current number 1, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13 is equal to 2 into CD square plus 25 2s are 50. This plus goes on either side minus 2 into CD square. Plus से या ठिकाणी minus झालं 130 minus 50, 80 is equal to 2 into CD square. So 80 divided by 2 is equal to CD square. These two in multiplication by changing the side in division, 2 ones are, then 2 fours are, therefore 40. CD square is equal to 40, taking square root of both sides. Taking square root of both sides. CD is equal to root of 40. Means CD is equal to 4 into 10, therefore 2 root 10. CD is equal to 2 root 10 units. We have to calculate the value of CD. Therefore, the length of median from point C is 2 root 10 units. In this way, we can solve the given problem. So remember that in triangle ABC, we have to given that AB is equal to 10, AC is equal to 7 and BC is equal to 9. By substituting the values, it means segment CD is the median. So D is the midpoint of AB. First calculate the value of AD and BD. BD is equal to 5. This is first. By Apollonius theorem, we can write AC square plus BC square is equal to 2CD square plus 2BD square. 2 into CD square as it is, 2 into 5 square, 5 square 20, 20 into 2 50, 7 square 49, 9 square 81, addition of these two 130 plus 50 चे या ठिकाणी minus 50 झालं is equal to 80 येतं. 80 is equal to 2 into CD square into जो division मध्ये घ्या 2 ने याला divide केलं 40 आलं. CD square is equal to 40. Then taking square root of both sides, CD is equal to root of 40. We cannot calculate the root of 40, therefore factorize it. 4 into 10, square root of 4 is 2, therefore CD is equal to 2 root 10 units. This is the length of median drawn from point C is 2 root 10 units. These are some problems depends on Apollonius theorem. So next problem we have to study here on the basis of Apollonius theorem is that. So next problem we have to study here. In the adjoining figure, this is a given figure. In the adjoining figure, PS is the midpoint of triangle PQR. PS is the midpoint of triangle PQR. It means QS and SR are congruent. Therefore, and then PT is a perpendicular. PT is perpendicular to QR. Then prove that these two we have to prove. Remember that in last period we have seen that application of Pythagoras theorem. On the basis of that application of Pythagoras theorem, we have to prove these two statements. So first is that in triangle PQR, segment PS is the median of triangle PQR. It means S is the midpoint. S is the midpoint of segment QR. S is the midpoint of segment QR. So QS is equal to SR. This is equation first. QS is equal to SR. So for first proof, observe the figure. We have to prove that PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR by 2 bracket square. So only observe the figure such that in which angle S is a obtuse angle and this is perpendicular. We can draw here. This is PT and this is S and this is R. In this way, observe the figure. So by application of Pythagoras theorem, in triangle, first in triangle PSR, segment PT is perpendicular to segment SR. So by application of, and then angle S is an obtuse angle. Angle S is an obtuse angle. So by application of Pythagoras theorem, in last period we have to see that by application of Pythagoras theorem we have to know that PR square is equal to, PR square means this, PR square is equal to PS square plus SR square. PS square plus SR square plus 2 SR into TS or ST. 2 SR into ST. This is the application of Pythagoras theorem for angle S is an obtuse angle. So from equation first we can write PR square is equal to here PS square as it is plus we know that QS is equal to SR. QS is equal to SR. It means SR is equal to QR by 2. SR is equal to QR by 2. QS is equal to SR. Therefore, SR is equal to QR by 2. So, we can write here QR by 2 bracket square as it is plus 2 into SR ची value QR by 2 into ST as it is. These two to get cancel. So, we can write as it is PR square is equal to PS square plus QR by 2 bracket square plus QR into ST. Only this term written first. So, PS square plus QR into ST plus QR by 2 bracket square. This is the proof of first statement only by using application of Pythagoras theorem. Remember that PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR by 2 bracket square. But remember that when S is the midpoint, then SR is equal to QR, but this is 1 by 2 QR. SR is equal to QS, Then is equal to 1 by 2 QR means QR by 2. Then we have to study here second proof. In second proof also we have to use application of Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle PQS, segment PT is perpendicular to segment QS. But remember that angle Q is an acute angle. And we know that when perpendicular is drawn and angle Q is an acute angle, so by application of Pythagoras theorem, what is the application of Pythagoras theorem? PQ square is equal to, so PQ square is equal to PS square plus QS square, PS square plus QS square minus 2 into QS into ST. This is the application of Pythagoras theorem. Remember that PQ square is equal to PS square plus QS square minus 2 QS into ST. But we have to know that SR is equal to QR by 2. Also QS is equal to QR by 2. Then PS square as it is plus QS means QR by 2 bracket square minus 2 into QS means QR by 2 into ST. These two to get cancel. So PQ square is equal to PS square QR by 2 bracket square minus QR into ST. So this term only written first. PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR by 2 bracket square. This is the proof of second by using application of Pythagoras theorem. When given angle is a acute angle, and here when given angle is a obtuse angle. So these are the two conditions for this problem. This problem is very important. So remember application of Pythagoras theorem and Apollonius theorem. So study here next problem. So next problem we have to study here in triangle ABC. Point M is the midpoint of side BC. We have to given AB square plus AC square is equal to 290 centimeter and AM is equal to 8 centimeter. Find BC. So in this problem also we have to use Apollonius theorem. Solution of this problem in triangle ABC. M is the point, M is the midpoint of side BC. It means segment AM is the median of triangle PQR. And we know that when in a triangle we have to give one median. Then we use Apollonius theorem. We have to give one AB square plus AC square is equal to 290 centimeter and AM is equal to 8 centimeter. So by Apollonius theorem, we have to study that Apollonius theorem. By Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2CM square. This is the statement of Apollonius theorem. This is the median. So AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2CM square. What is the value of AB square plus AC square? 290. 290 is equal to 2 into AM square means 8 square. What is the value of AM? 8. 2 into CM square. 290 is equal to 2 into 8 square 64 plus 2 into CM square as it is. 290 is equal to 128 plus 2 into CM square. 290 plus goes to minus 128 is equal to 2 into CM square. 290 minus 128, 10 minus 8, 2, carry number 1 here, 3, 9 minus 3, 6. Then 162 is equal to 2 into CM square. This 2 goes to division. 162 divided by 2 is equal to CM square. 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 1s are. 81 is equal to CM square. Therefore, taking square root of both sides. Taking square root of both sides. दोन्ही बाजूचं वर्गमूळ घ्या. CM is equal to 9. But we have to calculate the value of BC. Therefore, BC is equal to 2 into CM because M is the midpoint of BC. So 2 into 9, 9 2s are 18. BC is equal to 18 centimeter. In this way, we can solve given problem by using Apollonius theorem. These are some examples. Depends on Apollonius theorem. Try to understand carefully. At your home, we have to must practice more practice for all these examples. The problems are given in your problem set, also practice set, and our notes will be available for more problems. So all these problems we have to solve at home, and if you have any problem, please send me that question. In next period, we have seen all that problems. So these are the some problems depends on application of Pythagoras theorem or Apollonius theorem. Do you understand? I know you understand betterly. Very easy, but at your home you have to more and more practice. We know that practice makes man perfect. This is a time to do hard work. When we have to do hard work, there is a success. But remember that success have no shortcuts. So you have to practice at your home. These are some problems for today's lecture. This is enough for today's lecture. So we shall stop here.